Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose when your display turns off. Now, if you try to go into the display settings right here, you're going to be disappointed because there's no option in here, which there should really be. What we want to do is go on down to search and type in just power, just like this, and choose a power plan. And then open this up and choose one of these. So I'm going to go to just balance and go to change plan settings right here. And you can see on my laptop, I have the option for on battery, and then I have an option for plugged in. So just change this over for when the display turns off. I got 3 minutes on battery, and then I got 5 minutes on here. Maybe I'll bump it up to 10 minutes when I have it plugged in and go to save changes. So it actually saves. And then you got to put the computer to sleep. I got 10 minutes and I got 20 minutes right here. So just look at this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.